Hi guys, in this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you how you can delete domains from your Shopify. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you just need to log in into your own Shopify store. That's the first step. Now, after you are on the dashboard of your Shopify store, what you guys need to do next, you want to click here on settings at the very bottom left, and then you want to click on domains. Now here you will find all your domains. As you can see, I don't have a lot of domains right now because this Shopify store is just for videos. Okay, now what you guys need to do first to delete the domain, you want to go to my shopify.com domain, which is the default Shopify domain. Click on it and then click on this where it says change domain type, and make sure you select primary domain. Okay, so the reason why you need to select this as a primary domain, because there is no website that can run without domains, so you have to select this default domain as a primary domain so that you can delete all your domains. Click on change domain type, and then you want to go back and find all the domains that you want to delete. Click on them and you will be able to delete them. Now click on them, and at the very bottom here somewhere here you will see there delete. Okay, and then click on it, it's red. Click on it and then you will be able to delete, and then click again on delete and you will be able to delete the domain. Okay, now that's exactly what you need, because I didn't connect any domain to the Shopify store. That's why I'm not able to show you that red button, which is delete button. That's exactly why. So like I said, just click on the domain name and click here somewhere here, click on delete, and then you will be able to delete the domain from your Shopify store, and then you can connect it somewhere else if you want. Okay, so if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys next video.